how many 3/4 cups are equal in 9 cup? That is, how many 3/4 cups of something you need to add to equal to 9 cup. Let's say repeated addition means multiplication. Let's say n times we have to add 3/4 cup of something to equal to 9. This means that we are adding 3/4 cups of something n times. Now find the value of n, and to do so just multiply both sides by the fraction 4/3 to free n. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So n equal to this. So divide this 9 by 3, you will get 3. 3 times 4, 12. N equal to 12. That is, you have to add 3/4 cups of something 12 times totally to equal to 9 cup.